I will leave an item list in the description of the tools and parts that I used on this build. The cable on the paramotor had broke, and I did not have enough time to order the proper one for this weekend, so I went down to Walmart and purchased this cable set for $10. You have to cut one side of the cable to get it out. You use tape around it, then you use a rotary dremal, abrasive tool to cut through the cable so it doesn't fray on you. This is how I crimp the ferrule at the end by the carburetor using a wire crimper, the non-insulated side. I crimped it twice.